Snapchat has a really cool option for adding background song or background music on Snapchat when you send a snap as a photo or a video. So make sure you look up Snapchat on your iPhone or Android and make sure you update the app so you have this update available to you. And then let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. And on this page, all I have to do is first I need to add the song. So that's over here. If you go ahead and look on this side, there's this option called sounds as long as you have the update available to you. If you press it, and here you could go ahead and look at playlists, recommended songs, and any song here, you could go ahead and press play just to listen to it. So I'm just gonna put this one on pause, or you could just go ahead and select it to add. So in this case, I'm gonna select this one and it's gonna add it over here. Let me actually lower the volume here so it's not distracting. And here I need to select the portion. So between this line and this line is the portion that is going to be sent to someone. So make sure you select the portion that you want and you could listen to it over here. And you could anytime press X if you change your mind. Now to send it as a picture, all you have to do is take a picture. And then it's gonna play that. You see that it's playing that right now. I just have it on mute. And if you wanna send it as video, let me abandon this one. You just have to press and hold over here and you're just recording your video snap. And as soon as you let go, it's gonna bring this back. And you could do this with multiple clips too. So you could add another clip if you want with a different portion of the song as well. Press the check mark and then send it to whoever you want as a snap with background sound on Snapchat. And it's that simple to add background song on Snapchat and send it as a snap, photo, or video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.